While I was in Raleigh for RARS Fest, I got a behind the scenes tour of SPOOLTENNA, their world headquarters. Guys, check this out. We're at the world headquarters of SPOOLTENNA in North Carolina, and I got Rob here. He's going to give us a little tour of his production. Rob, where do you want to start?
Oh, thanks, Kevin. I guess we can start right behind you. That's kind of where the designs happen.
Okay.
You know, the bench here, while it's a little more cluttered than usual, this is where the board design happens, the circuit design, or any of the prototyping happens. From there, ship off, get boards in. The boards come in, and on the other side of the room over here, this is what we call station one. Station 2, 3 is over there, 4 is over there. So the kind of flow happens from 1 to 4. All the parts come in here. They get staged. The boards get soldered here in Station 2. And we use these racks to hold 15 units at a time. These are ultras in production. And we use these travelers, just like any other production facility would, to track what steps have been done on each unit. So anybody that comes up here that's within the family here working on this, they can look at this and say, okay, I see what needs done next. Rob's not done with soldering, so we wouldn't try to put them together before they're done. We then pass the units through or put them on their shelf, and then over here in Station 3, we do the final assembly. We put the barrel, put the screws, and put the wire on the units. And Station 4 is packaging. It's over on the other side where we do our wire measurement and final packaging. You probably saw the red spools, and these are internal use only, and that's kind of our signal that these don't really get shipped out. Just our work in progress spool that we use, and they put the wire assemblies on here. Again, we check off the traveler, knowing that both ends are terminated, all the steps are done. It's for quality control. Those get pulled over, and we assemble them on Station 3, and that's kind of the full loop. Over in the far corner is where we keep all of our inventory, all the parts. We've got them labeled. Mom does a great job with the inventory and labeling, so we can't get confused about any parts. And then back behind Dad over here is the inventory of finished product on the shelves.
All right.
So that's the whole process.
Easy peasy. Cool. So guys, I think that was totally cool. I want to thank Rob and Christy for opening their homes and hosting us to shoot a little behind the scenes footage of SPOOLTENNA and their manufacturing process and how they do everything. Guys, one of the things I think is super cool about SPOOLTENNA is, number one, everything is hand built here in the United States, designed, built. SPOOLTENNA tests every single antenna they produce, and they give you a testing report for that specific antenna when it gets shipped out. So that's super cool. And then the other thing is, guys, is it is a true family business. Rob and Christy have enlisted the help of Rob's parents, his mom and dad, who help build antennas and keep everything organized. And it's just an awesome thing to see. Also, Rob's friend, Brian, is involved in the manufacturing and testing of the SPOOLTENNA. So I just think that is just a super cool story, that it is all done by friends and family, really, really close knit, and that they really stand by a quality product. So I really, really love SPOOLTENNA. Guys, I'm an affiliate for SPOOLTENNA, so I'm going to put a link down in the description below to where you can check out SPOOLTENNA products. If you use my link to purchase, it doesn't cost you anything extra, but it's a great way to support my channel as I get a little commission on the sale. But again, thanks Rob and Christy for hosting us. Thanks for having not only me, but Vaughn and Julie with POTA Power and Bill with Ham Radio Tectonics. We enjoyed RARS Fest and shooting content there, and then as well as shooting content at Rob and Christy's home, looking at the SPOOLTENNA manufacturing process. So super cool. Guys, if you have any questions, drop some in the comments below. If I can't answer it, I'll reach out to Rob and Christy and say, hey, what do you think of this? And yeah, guys, if you are looking for an end-fed half wave for parks on the air, summits on the air, uh, just deploying at home, maybe you live in an HOA and you can't leave an antenna up all the time, SPOOLTENNA is where it's at, guys. It's a really, really easy to deploy, really, really easy to put away end-fed half wave for 40, 20, 15, and 10, right? So awesome, awesome. Love that antenna. Guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe, and ring that little bell icon that notifies you when we release new videos. I'm Kevin. This is Comms by Kemp Outside. We're your inside source for outdoor comms. We'll see you outside.